Hello again, Ralph Shearing here, giving you a little report from the Cerro Prieto mine in Sonora. So I am the CEO of Gold Group Mining. I wanted to just kind of outline the operation. I've got a series of videos out. You could look to see other exploration areas that I've recently talked about. But here, there's a very good view. We're up on top of the hill and we're looking back down towards the camp. In the foreground, here is the central pit. That's where the highest grades, where they started mining on this project in 2013. And in the background, you can see all the leach pads, the camp, etc. It's a very good view, overall view of the whole project. Behind the leach pads, off in the distance, there's some roads, roads we've installed recently. And in order to do some exploration out there, and we've come across what we believe is the southern extension of the main Cerro Prieto structure, which was really the cause of the mineralization in the central pit, the Union pit, as far and further along to the Esperanza and Reina areas, which I have talked about in another video. So gives you a really good idea of the former mining and the future exploration potential of this project. So we're currently mining on Esperanza, taking order of the crushers. We are in the process of expanding our production. So within 6 weeks to 2 months, we will have our crusher systems fully installed and expanded to be able to process at least 4,500 tons per day, which is double from what we were processing prior. And that's going to allow us to produce what we believe is 25,000 ounces of gold. On the pads themselves, we're looking at bringing in a re-leaching of those leach pads. Those leach pads have about 0.4 grams, I think it's 0.4 grams per ton based on a lot of extensive sampling we've done on top, trenching, etc. And we're developing an engineering study right now with a consultant to look at re-leaching that. So the re-leaching would be reprocessing all of the leach pads, basically loading them into a screen, into another crusher to crush anything that is not the current size we're going for, which is, we're currently, most of the mining here has been at 5/8. We want to grind down to 3/8, which is shown in recent metallurgical testing to have much better recoveries. So we expect to increase recoveries from 45–50%, hopefully up to the 70% based on the recent metallurgical testing we've done. So there's around 10 million tons of material on those leach pads. That would take us about 5.5 years at 5,000 tons a day. And that's what we're looking at. The engineering studies just showing are going to give us all of the engineering, the costing, and the equipment we're going to need to do that. And we're looking to fund that. So we'll probably be reaching out to various groups to help us fund that, maybe become partners in that re-leaching project. And we expect that to add another 8,000–9,000 ounces annually to the production. So that could bring us up to the 35,000 ounce production if these projects are realized. And we hope to realize that re-leaching in the next 6 months. So very good future potential here. To the north is where we're mining Esperanza. Nuevo Esperanza has been drilled, needs more drilling, and the Reina right next to that. We haven't drilled that, but extensive trenching, and those two zones should give us at least 2, maybe 5 more years of mine life once we've drilled them off. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of the project and where we're going with this project. We're going to turn this company around in the coming months and hope to have a very profitable situation throughout the rest of this year and beyond. Thank you very much. I hope you follow us. Bye-bye.